Hello guys, good morning, good morning. This is the situation here. This is the situation. This is before. This is before. I will show to you the after. The after. Okay? Dito. Sandali. Okay guys, this is it. This is the after. Diretso na, wala na yung mga sagawal. Yung maingay na yan is tractor yun eh. Nagugupit yun. Yun na nagpapantay ng kan eh. Sa taas, cutter. Okay? Let's continue to work. It's too hot.